All right, hey everybody, we're going to try this. We've been working on the data journal, and so you should have a whole bunch of information about the data that you've collected because data is everywhere when you're using online tools, whether it's your Chromebook or your phone or your video games or even your TV, your Alexas, your Google Homes, things like that. So every time that you kind of change from one to the other, I wanted you to document it. From every time that you change from even one platform to another, I wanted you to document it. So let's say you were watching something on Hulu and then you changed to Disney Plus. I wanted you to document it. And so we should have a whole bunch of information from last week, because we did this. I asked you. So what I want you to do is make a word cloud. So here's how you make a word cloud. You're going to highlight almost everything in column D. We're going to skip this very top row. We don't need the title. And we're going to right click and we're going to hit copy. We're then going to go to wordcloud.com, and I'll share this in the directions, all of the links and everything. Go to word list, and it's easier, I find, to just paste it all in there versus typing it all in there. Go ahead and right click and hit paste. All right, the cool thing about word clouds is the words that are used the most will be bigger and the words that are used the least will be smaller. The other cool thing that I like about this website is you can change the themes. So like, let's say I do this and I want like a little background theme. And it's building it right now. So there we go. So got a little theme to it. You can see that our anime were on there the most. Homework's on there, TikTok. So another thing you can do is change the shape, and I'm going to go with Wi-Fi. All right, there we go. Okay, cool. Now you can make it whatever shape and kind of what other theme looks best for yours. We're going to do 2 of these. So the next thing we do is we go save image, and I'm going to change this to data journal and then my initials, and save it as a JPEG and hit save. Okay, next thing we're going to do is go to, let's see, it was this one that I was working on. So what did you do to generate? So I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to go to image. And then I have to upload mine. You guys might just throw yours in the in your Google Drive. Let's see. I think mine went to downloads. Where did it go? Data journal. There it is. Okay. And I'm going to hit open. There it goes. I can change the size of it, of course. Blocked. I'm going to right click and order it and send it to back so that I can see it a little better. And then if we want to, we can even make these smaller so it doesn't take up as much space. All right, and then I can make this bigger. Cool. All right. So this is going to be a fun way to kind of see. The next thing I'm going to do is do the same thing for column F. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'm going to highlight almost everything except for the very top one. I'm going to right click, copy. I'm going to go to the word journal, word cloud, sorry, go to the word list. I'm going to then paste it in there, hit apply. You do not have to keep the same theme. You can make a different theme. So mine's still Wi-Fi, so I'm going to change the shape to a thought bubble. Do I like the way it looks? It's coming out pretty cool. And then I'm going to save that, and I'm going to paste it into here. Once you do that, make sure that you hit the turn in button. Thanks so much.